Hey guys, it's Carrie Lynn here for SheSave.com. We are in Arizona, Maricopa, Arizona to be exact. We are at Auction in a High Rise Deluxe room, 2 queen beds on the 8th floor. So I'm going to give you a peek at this room. We've shared a few videos from this property. We love it here. This is just about 45 minutes from the airport in Phoenix. This is a Caesars property. They have a great casino, and this little town of Maricopa is so close to many things. So we'll give you a quick peek around. Really nice hotel rooms. I feel like they're very clean. They have a little bit of a luxury feel to them, especially these high-rise deluxe rooms. As you can see, really big showers, really a nice little property, affordable rooms, and as I mentioned, a great place to stay if you're coming to the Phoenix area, a little bit out of the way. They have an incredible pool area. I don't have a view of the pool area in this video, but I will link to my other Auction poolside room so you can take a look at that, and I also have a walk around the pool area to show you what that's like. But overall, as you can see, just a really spacious, great room. Wanted to kind of give you a look at this, and then we'll take a peek outside. But as I mentioned, not much of a view from this room. It looks out over the parking lot, but it is a nice little area, so close to all kinds of different restaurants and shopping, and just super easy to access and just a fun property. So I will include all of the information down below. Let me know if you have questions. Again, this is a high-rise deluxe room, a 2-queen room at Auction here in Maricopa, Arizona. I will leave all the details down below. Again, this is Carrie Lynn for SheSave.com. Thanks for watching.